The sky is blue, but do you know why is that the case? I feel like the sky being blue is one of those things that we all accept being true without knowing the reason behind it. The sky is blue because blue's wavelength is shorter and scatters more than other colors when they hit particles in the atmosphere. Well, technically, purple has a wavelength shorter than blue, but we can't see it either because, number one, our eyes are not sensitive enough to see it, and number two, that the light is mostly absorbed in the atmosphere, which is why